How to fix the Uber Drive application is not working. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. First thing first, check if the issue is from the server side or not. Because if it is, you'll have to wait for some time. But if it is not, check for the internet connection. Make sure you have a stable one and switch between mobile data and try to access the app. If you are using Android devices, now let's move on updating and getting the latest version of Uber Driver. For this, first of all, go to the Play Store in your device. Once you go to the Play Store, you will have to now search for Uber Driver in the search list. Once that is done, make sure that it has been updated to the latest version. This should probably help you fix the bugs and fixes. Now, next up, you will have to clear the cache and give permissions. For this, long press the app, go to App Info. Under App Info, click on Permissions to access all important permissions. After that, click on Storage and Cache and make sure to clear the cache as well as clear the storage. But keep in mind, clearing the storage will delete all the files as well. So make sure to be careful and have a backup instead. Once you have done all of this, you can now redefine or refresh the application and then you can tap open to launch it and you'll notice the issue should probably be fixed. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.